Welcome to Kotcyn, and I'm Dennis. And the first thing I wanted to say is thank you. Thank each and every one of y'all for sticking by Kotcyn and myself for those last year or so. I know Kotcyn haven't made much content in that time, and y'all sticking with us means a lot. And again, thank y'all for doing so. And moving forward, Kotson's going to produce a lot more content. And not just those cookie cutter contents you see where the YouTube creator says the same thing over as someone else do and not explain what they do. We're going to do it what I call, and y'all already know, the Kotcyn way, making online learning and online presence an easier adventure for everyone. I would love to hear some of the comments below of what y'all would like me to create a content on. So put it on below. Let me know. And again, I'm just getting into this, so I may not be able to respond to everybody or anything. Don't take that as I'm trying to avoid y'all. I'm not. But y'all speak among each other, help each other out. I will help each other out when I can. Again, we're going to start making great content. Thank y'all.